Good morning, students. In today's video, we will be learning literary device, or which is also known as figures of speech. In this lesson, we will study meaning, types of figures of speech with examples. So first of all, we are going to cover its meaning. Language that has meaning beyond its literal meaning is known as figurative language or figures of speech. The meaning of the statement is, the language means the words or the phrases which the poet uses in the poem. They have the meaning beyond its literal meaning. Like if I take the example of Fire and Ice. This is the poem of class 10th, right? So in this poem, Fire and Ice, we know very well what is the meaning of fire literally. We know the meaning of ice, what is it literally. But in this poem, the poet is using fire as a symbol of lust or desire. In the same way, he is using ice as a symbol of a heartless hatred. So, what does it mean? If the word has its meaning beyond the literal meaning, so it is known as figurative language. So this is the meaning. I hope it is clear to all. Moving on to the next topic, that is diagrams showing types of literary devices. So these are some of the literary devices which we are going to cover in today's videos. First is simile, metaphor, alliteration, repetition, personification, symbolism, oxymoron, imagery, assonance, hyperbole. We'll be discussing one by one, all in detail with the examples. So at the very first, moving on to the first part, that is simile. In this, simile is an expression comparing one thing to another using the words like or as. Can you see the difference, children? I have written this word like or as with a different color pen. So these two words are very important. For example, he ran like a cat, lightly and quietly. So here, he ran like a cat. He ran like a cat. Again, I am emphasizing the word like. So here the poet is comparing his running style with the cat running style. My dog is as smelly as dirty socks. So in this, my dog is as smelly as dirty socks. Again, I am